तिसरे ISLान 3 मॅची जाल्यो तरी झिकोचे FC गोवाक एकूय पॉयंट मेळूंक ना. भारताचो आदलो स्ट्रायकर फ्रांसीस डिसोजान हाजें कारण सांगलें.
What I have seen with FC Goa is very evident. I think they lacked aggressiveness. They have lacked the hunger and the desire to win. That's if you in the past we have seen with the quality of players we had, when they considered goals, they came back blazing on the opponents, and you could realize that having so many players on their score list, the desire for getting a goal was always there. This was what was lacking in the team. Good quality players, with good quality players you get good understanding and good passes to your forwards up front, like Leo Mora was there, who could give clinical passes, precision passing to his opponents, where a goal could materialize. But we didn't see anything like this happening in the entire 3 games that we saw. And as usual, Rafael was off colour. That is the only forward they are depending mostly on, and having him off colour yesterday added to their misery.
Bureau Report, Prudent.